Are you fully prepared for the threats that come with a winter storm? Let's face it, when these storms come, we really don't know the extent of those storms, but we do know this. With each storm comes a risk to property as well as to life. The way we manage this risk is with preparation. During these extreme temperatures, we increase the risk of fire to our investments. And that means that we need to have access to the buildings in order to protect the stakeholders. Let's face it, if there's a fire on your facility, this is going to affect the jobs of the employees, the investment of the owners. There's a lot at risk here to just ignore the problem. Fortunately, Buck Outdoors is here to help with ice melt and snow pushing services.